In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. If you want to clean up your Photos app much faster and you are tired of deleting each photo by hand, you can always go into Photos and try deleting multiple right away. To do that, first you need to select Photos or Collections at the bottom. Let's start with Photos. Hold 1. Use this icon at the top right corner to select multiple right away and to keep some, tap on them. To delete the rest, use Bin button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete from Collections though, it looks the same. The only difference is that after holding one of your photos and selecting multiple, Bin icon is located at the top right corner instead of bottom right corner. Just click on it and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!